This is the Amren power bank, which consists the Samsung batteries. It have 15,600 milliampere batteries, and it is the best power bank because it have the large capacity and the lower price. So let's check out. Hi friends, welcome to this brand new video. In this video I am going to show you another power bank which is also of Amren. If you are thinking, then I will tell you I am not affiliated with Amren with any type, but yes, I loved last power bank which I used, which is from also Amren. This time I thought I will show Xiaomi 10400 milliampere power bank, but I checked websites like Snapdeal, eBay, Amazon. Many people are commented that the power bank which they get is not original. It doesn't have the 12-digit code on the box, and it also failed after some days. I even seen these comments on Flipkart also, which is affiliated website with Xiaomi in India for their phones. So I changed my mind and searched for the power bank which have same capacity or more and doesn't require more money than 2.5k. It will be the best power bank in my point of view if its life is more than 1.5 years. And again I seen Amren power bank which I am showing you right now. It has 15,600 milliampere battery, which is 1.5 times than my last power bank, so that's very good. Its price is also less, so it is best power bank now for me. It have more power, less cost, and Samsung batteries inside. So let's check out. Let's remove the packing. I just ripped off the outer package. The packing is good. As you see here, it have 15,600 mAh battery. Here is the Amren sticker and the tagline. Amren is written on the box cover. It consists Samsung batteries inside. I think 6 batteries are inside. So the capacity of this power bank is 15,600 mAh. It is from Amren. Portable charger model number P1500. It comes in 2 colors, black and white. I purchased white again. The weight is 490 grams approximately. This is a big and bulky power bank obviously, but it is very good because it have very good power capacity. It's almost 3 months before manufactured. Its written MRP is high, 3,599 rupees, means approx 3.6k, but you will get it in 1.7 or 2k. And if you get good offer on any website as me, then you will get it at very low price, almost 1.26k. but when the offer is going, I got more mAh capacity than I paid rupees. Lol. You can also get offers like this, and if you get it at that much low price, this is the best power bank, then I have to say. So let's check out the Amren power bank and what we are getting inside the box. So just open the box by the cutting seal. So the seal is now opened. Let's check out power bank. It is a big power bank. It have 15,600 mAh power, so that is obvious. It is bulky also, as I shown the weight 490 gram, means almost half kg. Its length is more than the last Amren power bank which I shown 10,400 mAh, and it's also obvious, but the design is same and I love the design also. But the size is worth if you want to go to long tour or any travel more, or you go for weeks, or even you can keep this and use your phone more than a week without any charger and problem. So it's very good for everyone who can carry little weight. I love more MH power banks because if you are nerd and use mobile 3G 4G net Wi-Fi always, and also play games and use mobile every time, then your battery will remain only 1 or 1.5 days or even less. Nowadays phone increase the batteries and delivering power also, but the problem is use is also increase in proportion, so you require the power bank and more mAh is better. I think if you fully charge it, your phone definitely go longer than 1 or 1.5 week. This is user manual which you will get with this power bank, and this is a warranty card. It have 12 months warranty, means 1 year warranty. In this box you will get 3 different wires also. It's good than the last power bank which get 1 wire and 5-6 connectors as I showed in that video. It's problematic if you get the connectors separately. Direct wire is good and sturdy. Now only 3 types wires are given, but it's okay because now micro USB is widely used and some people use Apple products, then for them also the wire is given. I am using Android phones, so let's keep other 2 wires inside the box. Micro USB cable is required for most mobiles. The main thing which many people even asked in the last video, that can we get charger, but unfortunately we didn't get the charger with last power bank or even with this big power bank. You will get only power bank and wires. So if you are Android user or any micro USB port mobile user, then you can use your mobile charger. But if you use any other phone, then you have to at least buy the adapter so you can charge your power bank. But if you have a detachable charger, then you can use that adapter to charge this power bank also, so that's not a big problem. But yeah, they have to give the charger with the power bank, so it will become easy. You will get 2 output ports in this power bank, and in between the micro USB input port is placed, which is same as your Android mobile power input port. So you can charge this with your charger as I said before. As you see here, it is the Amren sticker of product number. The power bank is covered with the plastic bag. Let's open the side output input ports. Mainly I love the display in this power bank which show input, output, in which port we connected mobile, and main the battery percentage, and because of inside light we can check it in dark also, and also the battery consists of torch, so it's quite useful sometimes. As you see here written that this part have 5 volt and 2.1 ampere output, and second part have 5 volt and 1 ampere output. If you want to charge your mobile fast quickly, then go with the first port which delivers 2.1 ampere current, or otherwise charge it with 1 ampere current second part. If your mobile battery is designed to charge with low current like 0.86 ampere or 1 ampere, then using first 2.1 ampere port can decrease your mobile's battery life and also heat up the phone. Even now many phones give 1.6 ampere charger, so it's depend on you that how fast you want to charge your mobile and which port you use while connecting to the power bank. When the phone is connected to the 1 ampere second port, then it requires almost double charging time than the first 2.1 ampere port. Both deliver 5 volt voltage which required for phone's batteries. In between two output ports there is one micro USB input port which required 5 volt input as per other. As written behind, 1 ampere supply is ideal to charge this power bank. But if you charge with that, I think you will require 20 to 24 hours approximately. So I will prefer 2.1 ampere charger which charge it in 10 to 12 hours. This is the display of the power bank. As you can see here, it is 14% charged. Out is written there because power bank is not charging, but no any other information is given on screen because I am not charging any other device with the power bank. When you click on button single time, then it show you the display and blue lights turns on, and when you double tap the button, the torch turns up, which is exactly opposite side of the button. This is 7-digit digital screen display. By the blue light you can easily see it. The main design problem which I shown in the last power bank is display direction. In that power bank, from one side you can see the Ambrane written correctly, but the display shows you correctly from opposite side, which is annoying. And because of digital display we can see something percentage from Ambrane side also, which is incorrect because sometimes digits look like another digits from opposite side, so it's problematic. We get that wrong percentage and we have to see from other side every time. But in this power bank the display is corrected from which side you can see Ambrane, from that side you can see the display readings, so that's good and less confusing because the same direction. If you connect the phone with the power bank, then display show that. Let's open the wire. Okay, now take phone and connect the wire to it. Then I'm connecting wire first to 1 ampere port. You can see the supply you are giving from a port, current and voltage also, though the input and output voltage is same and only current change. If you connect the wire to second 2.1 ampere port, then it will show you on display little upper side than the first port display when the phone is charging. In the dark places it's good, you don't have to bother on which port you plug your device. You can easily check it on display and charge mobile fast or slow as per your requirement. As I said in the last video, if you not seen that video, I will tell you in short. It is shown that it have 15,600 mAh capacity, but any power bank cannot deliver power exact same as their capacity. So if you want to buy any power bank, then definitely remember that you have to get at least bigger milliampere power bank than your phone's battery milliampere to charge battery once. In general, if this is 15,600 milliampere capacity power bank, then it will deliver 10,400 mAh approx, means 10,000 to 11,000 milliampere, and whenever you use it more after some months, its capacity and delivering power also decrease by some percentage. As you know, your mobile battery capacity also decrease with use. If anyone want exact percentage of delivering power, then I will say almost 2/3 capacity of power bank it delivers. Some power banks deliver more than that also. 66.66% approximate you can calculate, or you can just say 65% to 70% in general power bank deliver. So remember that while taking any power bank for your mobile phone. Even this, you have to check what capacity the power bank have and calculate the delivering capacity, so you can get how much times you can charge your mobile phone. The last power bank is 10,400 milliampere, which delivers 6,800 milliampere approx, and this power bank deliver more than the last power bank capacity also, because it has 1.5 times more capacity. So buying this power bank is very good. If you get offer on any set as me, then it's best. Otherwise in 1.8K or 2K also it is a best deal for heavy use. It consists 6 Samsung batteries and it has 1 year warranty. So go ahead. If you want to buy a bigger capacity power bank, I think this is the best power bank. Less price, you will get more. So this time also I'm going with Amren. In this video I shown unboxing of this power bank. After some months I will also post video about my experience about this power bank, means how it's working or not working, or it have any problem which I got while using, if any. Another thing which people ask or think, that the power bank simultaneously charge and discharge also or not. I don't know what is the behind thought in that, means I just don't get why the people want both simultaneously, because I have more chargers, and in home or anywhere you can get plugs also, so you can plug it and charge at a time your phone and power bank also. And while you are charging power bank, you can discharge in it simultaneously, means I don't get what they want. But if you are using or trying to buy this power bank, I want to tell you, you cannot simultaneously charge and discharge this power bank. Means if you are trying to charge it at a time and discharge it, you can do one thing at a time. So if you are charging the power bank, then you cannot charge the phone, and if you are charging 1 or 2 phones, then you cannot charge the power bank at a time. Only one thing you can do. I don't think this is a big issue, and I never take it in consideration when I am buying any power bank. But some people might want that, so if you want that, then this is not power bank for you. But yeah, this is very cheap, very big and more useful power bank. So I think you can think over it that you want that feature or not. So it's up to you what you want and what requirements you think the power bank should have. If you like this video, press thumbs up button, means like button. If you have any problems, questions, or want any information, you can ask me. Just comment below and ask. You can write your opinion also. So give your opinion if you used or going to use any power bank. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more new gadgets reviews, more new stuff, things, and Android world information or new apps details, just subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. I am Jeevan Marathi.